Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the Euro Yen breakdown opportunity. Okay, so Euro Yen is simply setting up for a breakout and continuation to the downside, and this next leg, and in best case scenario, tries to tag that 133 all the way up to this previous low. Okay, so short term going to be this leg, and medium term you look in this, and medium term, all right? So these targets, okay? Longer term price to continue to keep dragging more downside up to 120, 124 areas. Okay, so it's setting up for a breakout opportunity. The flag is just simply setting up for a breakout for the downside, and you're looking that flag to break down aggressively and continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, so price can stay within that flag for a while before breaking down. Okay, so you're looking that flag to break out and clear all these lows and continue to keep dragging lower. So there is a gap, all right? This is the gap. So price should not go above that gap. As long as price stay below that gap, you're staying bearish. Okay, so you're gonna see that gap here on this chart. The dollar yen. So I'm gonna open that. There you're gonna see that gap. Okay, so you're gonna see that gap here. Price should not close above that gap. Okay, price shouldn't go above that 143. So as long as price stay below that gap, you are looking at to continue to keep dragging lower for longer term. All right, so if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame, there you're gonna see that gap. Okay, so the gap is just simply pointing out that we are going to see, you know, breakout and continuation to the downside. So obviously this gap is just not a sole reason for this to break down. Okay, we may have many other reasons for the breakout and continue to keep dragging lower. All right, that gap just one of them. Okay, so very much similar like the previous one. So if you remember that, when we had that previous gap, and after that we have seen tweak from the Bank of Japan, and we have seen tremendous sell-off to the downside. Okay, we don't have any news yet. Okay, but this gap might be pointing out that we may see some significant drop in CPI numbers next week in US. Okay, if that's going to happen, then we may see aggressive sell-off to the downside. All right, so your setup is valid as long as price stay below that gap. Okay, and that gap might be a last attempt for the euro yen to stay at that high. Okay, so you're looking to break down and continue to keep dragging lower for more downside. Okay, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.